I never thought hyenas essential. They're crude and unspeakably plain. But maybe they've a glimmer of potential, if allied to my vision and brain.
Okay, step 1, we want to start concealing our face and contouring by using the LA Pro Girl Concealer Contour in the shade Dark Cocoa and blending it out using our Beauty Blender. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit more of a highlight to underneath my eyes and my forehead using the liquid highlighter Light Glow by e.l.f. And I'm going to just blend that out all into. I'm going to go ahead and set my face for the AirSpun Loose Face Powder, and that's going to just make sure everything stays nice and contoured, and I want a very good definition base for this scar bone structure. And then I'm going to continue in with the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to start drawing out the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to make them real pointy so it's like a lion. Okay, then next, using the Naked 3 palette by Urban Decay, I'm going to take the color Dark Side. I'm going to add that to the outer corners of my eyes. I'm going to build in a cat eye looking type of thing. I already had my makeup kind of done before I started this tutorial, so everything was able to just be followed by that outline. And then you just want to make sure you blend out that dark color into your cut crease to add more of that and like give more of a hooded eye look, which is going to give you more of a lion-like appearance. Now I'm going to go ahead and just redo my eyeliner a little bit longer and a little bit more dramatic for this look. And then with some Dark Side eyeshadow from the Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to just keep on smoking my eye out to give it more of a cat eye look and give my under eye a little bit more depth as well. Then I'm going to move on to my brows, and I'm going to go ahead and just go in with that Dark Side eyeshadow mixed with a little bit of that dark eyeliner, and I'm just going to make my brows real thick and make them real bold. And then I'm going to move on to do my scar. I'm going to take some white eyeliner, and then I'm going to go ahead and just literally draw kind of like a lightning type of bolt way, and I set that using some face loose powder. Okay, so now I'm just going to blend everything out, blend out all my face loose powder, and just try to blend out that contour more into my face, and make sure everything is nice and set with some bronzer. Now I'm going to go ahead and add more depth to my eyes by bringing all those shadows down my nose, and then using a Morphe palette, I'm just going to take a little bit of an orange eyeshadow and just put it around me to kind of add a blush and a little bit of light to the scar look and give it more of that orange tint. And then I'm also putting that on my nose because I'm about to draw my nose. I basically just followed the tip of my nose and then just brought everything down and literally just made it go down in an upside down triangle and tried to shadow it as much as I could. It doesn't really have to be perfect, just literally try to follow your cupid's bow and you'll be okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add some white to highlight my nose, and I'm just using any face body paint and just a pointy brush, and I'm just following along the outline of it. Then I'm going to take that same body paint and a stipple brush, and I'm just going to move down to draw the mouth-like part of my mouth, and I'm just going to use downward strokes and just try to make everything nice and blended. And then I'll go in with a smaller brush to detail around the nose and around my lips. And of course I'm setting all of that with some face loose powder, and then I'm going to work into drawing my mouth. You basically just want to draw a line right across through the middle of your lips and a little bit more out. This part did tickle me a lot, so I'm just warning you guys. Then I'm going to go in with some white body paint, and then just going to clean up the edges of my mouth. Okay, now I'm going to add some dark eyeshadow to the bottom of my eyes, and I'm going to add some white to my inner corners to give them a better highlight. And then I'm also going to add some eye pencil liner to make my eyes darker, and then to highlight my brows I'm just going to put white body paint underneath them and blend it out with that same dark brush that I had the eyeshadow on. And then I'm just going to add some glow from this glitter like eyeshadow that I had in one of my palettes, and I'm done.
Hey guys, Kreep here, and this is my finished scar look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you haven't already, just subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video for me, please. I will see you guys next time. Bye!